Like if you're really tired of what you're doing, it's an awesome way to re-energize. And the one I'm about to show you, I think is even better. But it's a great way to re-energize. I was talking to Rich, who's a patent attorney. He said, man, I don't know how to make my thing new. I don't know how to make it secret. I don't know how to make it different. And I don't know how to make it expiring soon. Totally got him in a second. So Rich offers a consultation, which I think, by the way, sucks. An evaluation, blah, 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 blah. We do it in our other business. We call it an audit, which I think is the worst thing in the world to call it, but it works. I hate that term because who wants an audit, right? Raise your hand if you'd like to be evaluated. Nobody wants that, right? But anyway, we were talking about what's new, what's secret, what's different, what's expiring soon. InventHelp had a good twist on his business. They're kind of, sort of in the same business, right? But really new for him, and this is a biggie. Does anybody know what a provisional patent is? Everyone know? How many people know what a provisional patent is? Rich? You get my point? Right. So a provisional patent is a thing in the patent law that allows you to file a patent very inexpensively, very quickly, without much proof, and lets you have a certain level of protection, right? When we're in a business like Rich is, and he's so deep into that, that's not new to him. That's been around for years. It's boring, it's old, it's whatever. How long is 10 years they've been doing that maybe? 1996. So yeah, so a little longer than that. So 96, 2006, 20 years. 20 years, yeah, but 20 years. But how many of you knew it existed? Everybody knows what a patent is for the most part, but nobody knows what a provisional patent is. So a provisional patent lets you file for what, $500 or so, you can get that thing, right? $100. So you get a $100 patent. But that's new to most people, right? So don't think that something that's new in your industry, everybody knows about. They just don't, right? 2, what's a secret? Well, the secret is it can be done for $100, right? Not tens of thousands of dollars, right? What's different about it? I'm sure that any legal mind like Rich has a strategy for using provisional patents that's not just the head-on normal strategy, because filing a provisional patent and not doing anything later is pretty much a waste of money and time. So he has probably a strategy. That's the different part. And the expiring soon part is, you know, they don't want you to be able to do that. So big, giant intellectual property companies are fighting these things tooth and nail because they don't want the little guy to have a shot. Now you're establishing an enemy too. You follow? They don't want you to be able to do the same thing they can do, right? So that's how I would position it. Okay, so we'll move to the next one. I think this is my favorite, one of my favorite things. Like this guy said, the new creates the itch. They spent millions of dollars